Honorable Daniel Awet Akot, a liberation icon and SPLM leader. Honorable Daniel Awet Akot is a senior South Sudanese politician and a respected veteran of the Sudan People's Liberation Movement, SPLM. Currently serving as the Second Deputy Chairperson of the SPLM, he remains a prominent figure in the country's political landscape, known for his contributions during the liberation struggle and his continued involvement in national affairs. A former commander in the SPLA and a close ally of the late Dr. John Garang, Honorable Awet Akot played a critical role during the civil war that eventually led to South Sudan's independence in 2011. Following the signing of the Comprehensive Peace Agreement, CPA, in 2005, he transitioned into political leadership, serving in several high-level positions, including Deputy Speaker of the National Assembly. Despite his legacy, Honorable Awet Akot drew public attention in a rather unexpected way when a video surfaced showing him unable to sing the South Sudan national anthem during an official event. The incident sparked mixed reactions across the country. Some saw it as a simple human error, while others viewed it as symbolic of the disconnect between some leaders and national identity. Nevertheless, Awet Akot's long-standing service and dedication to the country cannot be denied. His experience and influence remain significant within the SPLM hierarchy as South Sudan continues its journey toward peace, unity, and democratic transformation.